In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the door switch in your dryer. So to remove your door switch, first thing we want to do is locate it. On most dryers, they'll be somewhere around this front opening. Some will be down near the bottom, some will be right up here in the middle, or on the left or right as this one is. So the first thing we're going to do for this model is raise the top up. And to do that, we're going to slide out the lint filter. We're just going to remove these two screws completely. These are just Phillips head screws. On some models they were actually like a 1/4 inch or 5/16 head. Whichever style you have, just remove them. And with those screws out, now we're just going to lift our top. And to do that, we're just going to need a thin bladed putty knife to insert underneath the top and the front panel. Now we're just going to take our putty knife. We're just going to slip it in between the top and the front panel. If you slide it along, you'll feel it come up against something on this side and this side. Those are the catches. So once you've located them, you're just going to take your putty knife, push it in, and lift up, and that releases the catch. And the same on this side. Just push in and be able to lift that top. The next thing we're going to want to do is undo our electrical harness. And to do that, there's just a little tab here we're going to lift up and pull the harnesses apart. With that disconnected, we'll open up our door, and there's two screws that go from the bottom up into the switch that'll release it. You just remove that screw as well. And with those screws removed, you're able to take the lid switch out of the machine.